This is the English video of the topic that how many marks do we need to score if we want to clear the Jlpt exam. We will also discuss how many marks do we need to score in a particular section if we want to clear the exam. Okay, so in this video we will discuss all the levels from N5 to N1, and we will discuss how many marks do you need to score so that when you are studying you prepare accordingly so that you aim to clear the exam. Now starting with the very basic level, that is N5. So first of all, I need to make this point clear that all the exams, be it N5 or N1, all the exams are of 180 marks. The total marks is 180. Now, how many marks do we need to clear the Jlpt N5? It is 80 marks. Yes, we need only 80 marks to clear the exam. Now, how many sections are there in N5? There are two sections. First section is basically your vocabulary, grammar and reading. And the second section is listening. Now the first section, which contains like a lot of questions because of vocabulary, grammar and reading. Here, this section is of 120 marks and minimum marks that you need in this level is 38 marks. So for this section, you need 38 marks minimum out of 120. The maximum that you can score in this section is 120 and minimum marks that you need is 38. Next, which is the listening section, it is of 60 marks and the minimum marks that you need to clear the listening section is 19 marks. Okay, so here are three criteria. First, that in listening section you get minimum of 19. Next, the section where there is vocabulary, grammar and reading, the minimum marks there you score is 38, and then the total of both the sections should be above 80. Okay, so this was for N5. Now moving to N4. Here the minimum marks that you need to score is 90, and here how much do you need to score? Again, it is same the way it is for N5, that in vocabulary, grammar and reading section you need 38 marks and in listening you need 19 marks. But here the total score should be 90, minimum 90 and not 80. Moving to N3, here the situation changes and the minimum score that you need is 95 here. Here there are three sections and not two sections. First section, which is of vocabulary and grammar, it is of 60 marks. Minimum marks you require here is 19. Second section is of reading. In reading, you should get minimum of 19 marks. And the third section, which is of listening, which is again of 60 marks. Here the minimum marks that you need to score is 90. And again the total of all these sections should be 95. Moving to N2, here the passing score is 90. Again, here the condition is same the way it is for N3, that in vocabulary, grammar you need minimum 19, in reading you need minimum 19, and in listening section you need minimum of 19 marks, and the total of all these sections should be above 90. The last level, which is Jlpt N1, here the minimum marks you need to clear the exam is 100 marks. Here in vocabulary and in grammar section, again you need 19 marks. In reading, again you need 19 marks. And in listening, again you need 19 marks. But here, the overall total score of all the levels should be above 100. Okay. So here we discuss that how many marks you need to score in every level to clear the exam. Now, if you want to clear the exam and you are looking for some classes, you can join us by giving or by sending us an email at our email ID. If you want, you can check our website. The link is given in the description. And if your aim is to clear the Jlpt level and you are serious, you should definitely join us and clear your exam.